A roof replacement is a major home improvement project that requires careful planning and preparation. For homeowners in Warren, it's essential to know how to prepare your home for the project to ensure a smooth, efficient, and successful outcome. Whether you've noticed signs of wear or you're simply due for an upgrade, a roof replacement can be a significant investment in your home's value, comfort, and protection from the elements. In this article, we'll guide you through the essential steps to prepare your home for a roof replacement project in Warren. Proper preparation helps protect your property, ensures the safety of workers, and makes the process as stress-free as possible. Choose the right roofing company. The first step in preparing for a roof replacement is selecting a reliable, experienced roofing company. A trustworthy roofing contractor will guide you through the entire process, from choosing the right materials to completing the installation. It's important to choose a company that has a proven track record of high-quality work and excellent customer service. Check reviews and references. Look for online reviews and ask the contractor for references from previous customers to ensure they have a history of delivering quality service in Warren. Verify credentials. Make sure the roofing company is licensed, insured, and bonded. This ensures that you're protected in case of accidents or damage during the project. Once you've selected a contractor, schedule an inspection of your roof. This will allow them to assess the condition of your current roof and help you choose the best materials and design for your home. Clear the area around your home. Before the roofing team arrives, take the time to clear the area around your home. A roof replacement involves the removal of the old roofing materials, which can create debris and dust. By preparing the area, you'll help ensure that the work goes smoothly and prevent any accidental damage to your property. Move vehicles. Move any cars, trucks, or other vehicles away from the worksite, preferably off your driveway or street. This will give the roofing crew ample space to work and prevent any potential damage to your vehicles. Remove outdoor furniture and decorations. If you have any outdoor furniture, decorations, or potted plants near your home, it's a good idea to move them away from the area. Falling debris or tools could damage these items, so it's best to store them in a safe place while the roof replacement is underway. Protect landscaping. If you have delicate plants or gardens around your home, consider covering them with a tarp or other protective material. Roofing debris, including nails and shingles, can fall onto your lawn, and taking these precautions will help protect your landscaping investment. Notify your neighbor. Roof replacements can sometimes be noisy and disruptive, so it's a good idea to let your neighbors know in advance. Inform them about the date and duration of the roof replacement project so they can plan accordingly. This is especially important if you live in a Warren neighborhood with close proximity to other homes. Consider noise levels. Be aware that roofing work can generate loud sounds, particularly during the removal of the old roof. By letting your neighbors know, you'll help set expectations and minimize any potential complaints. Be considerate of shared spaces. If your home home shares a property line with a neighbor, it's also important to ensure that no work is done on their property. Professional roofers are experienced in navigating such situations and should be able to work efficiently without encroaching on neighboring land. Prepare the interior of your home. While most of the roofing work will take place outside, there can still be some minor impact on your home's interior. Vibrations from the removal and installation of the roof can sometimes be felt inside your home, especially if you have an attic or vaulted ceilings. Protect attic and loft spaces. If you have an attic, it's a good idea to remove any valuable or fragile items from the area. The vibrations could potentially dislodge items or create dust. You may also want to cover any exposed furniture or items in your loft to keep them safe from dust and debris. Ensure safe access for workers. Roofing crews may need to enter your home, especially if you have skylights or need attic ventilation. Make sure all necessary areas are accessible for the crew to complete their work. Set up a safe working environment. Safety should always be a top priority during a roof replacement project. The crew will be working at heights, and roofing projects often involve large tools and materials. To minimize any risk, it's essential to establish a safe working environment both inside and outside your home. Keep pets and children indoors. During the roof replacement, keep children, pets, and any other household members away from the work area. The construction site may contain sharp objects, tools, or falling debris that could pose a risk to their safety. Establish clear communication with the crew. Be sure to communicate any specific concerns or needs to the roofing contractor before work begins. If you're home during the project, make sure to stay out of the way of the workers, but feel free to ask questions or clarify any aspects of the installation process as needed. Be prepared for the timeline and cleanup. Before the work begins, the roofing company will provide you with an estimated timeline for completion. While the project duration can vary depending on the size and complexity of the roof, most roof replacements typically take a few days to complete. Project duration. The roofing crew will begin by removing the old materials, followed by repairs, if needed, and then installing the new roof. They will clean up daily, but be prepared for some minor disruption during the installation process. Post-installation cleanup. Once the project is completed, the roofing company will typically clean up any remaining debris. This includes removing nails, shingles, and other materials from your lawn or driveway. Be sure to inspect the area after completion to ensure that everything has been properly cleaned. Conclusion. Preparing your home for a roof replacement project in Warren requires a bit of planning, but with the right preparation, you can ensure the process runs smoothly. By choosing a trusted roofing company, clearing the work area, notifying your neighbors, and protecting your home's interior, you can help your roofing team complete the job quickly and efficiently. Following these simple steps will help minimize disruptions, protect your property, and ensure that your new roof provides long-lasting protection for your home. If you're considering a roof replacement, make sure to consult with professionals to get started on your home improvement journey today.